Oh, hi Tracy. I'm just working on some diamond stud earrings. We're actually using Moissanite from Charles and Colvard.
Okay.
And I had these mountings, and she just got her engagement ring with a Moissanite, so I suggested let's do some Moissanite earrings.
So is that setting too big for the gem?
Well, actually, when my goldsmith sets the stone, it's going to fit in there perfectly. See how it fits in nice? Yeah.
That's pretty.
And you know the one thing that's really important about stud earrings,
Okay.
I tell everyone, it's these backs.
Okay.
The backs is the biggest thing. That's super important. This back is so big. Look at how nice it fits in my fingers. It's really easy. And you can hear the click.
Okay.
Yeah. Everyone always thinks, oh, I need screw backs. But if you have a really, really good friction back,
so
you're fine.
What's a screw back?
Those kind that you like, you have to keep.
I've never even heard of that.
A lot of people use them on their diamond earrings, but
okay.
these work just as well, even better, because those screw backs you can lose just as much, and the threads end up
okay. So it's extra
getting
protection
damaged.
not to lose your.
Well, I always say invest in the back. Spend the extra money on a very good back.
Okay. Wow. Okay.
Thanks for playing.